Ever wondered how billionaires manage their money? Let's dive into the world of the super rich and their financial habits. When we talk about billionaires like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos, it's not just their hefty bank balances that are noteworthy, it's their financial wisdom that truly sets them apart. You see, they don't just earn and spend, they invest. Investments are the backbone of billionaire wealth. They don't just put their money in a savings account and let it sit. They invest in stocks, real estate, startups, and other ventures, creating a diversified portfolio that grows over time. This diversity is their safety net against market volatility, but it's not all about risky business. They also believe in long-term financial planning. They're not just thinking about the next quarter, they're planning for the next quarter century. So it's not just about making money, it's about how you manage it that counts. What can we learn from these financial giants? Well, quite a lot, actually. The first scene gave us a glimpse into the wallets of the world's billionaires. Now let's distill some of the key points and see how we can apply them to our own lives, no matter the size of our bank accounts. First off, smart investments. The billionaires didn't just stumble upon their wealth, they made careful, calculated decisions to invest in opportunities that promised growth. It's not about jumping on every hot trend, but rather about understanding the potential of an investment and the risks involved. And you don't need to be a billionaire to do this. Even with a modest income, you can begin investing in stocks, bonds, or even a small business. Next, diversification. The uber-rich don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their wealth across a variety of investments. This strategy helps to minimize risk and maximize returns. For us, this could mean having a mix of savings, investments, and insurance in our personal finance portfolio. And lastly, long-term planning. Billionaires think in terms of decades, not days. They understand that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Similarly, we should plan our finances with a long-term perspective, setting financial goals and working consistently towards them. Remember, it's not about the amount of money you have, but how you use it. So let's use our money wisely like the billionaires do. So, are you ready to manage your money like a billionaire? Let's recap. It's about investing wisely, diversifying your portfolio, and managing risks. It's about living below your means and reinvesting your profits. It's about seeking professional help when needed and always staying informed. Now it's your turn. Apply these principles, start managing your money with a billionaire mindset. Remember, start small, think big, and who knows, you could be the next billionaire we talk about.